Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make images smaller in the Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on the edit side. Now once you are in, you have to click on the edit, and here you have to scroll down. Here is the option of edit section, you have to click on it. Now here is the three options. One is format, background and colors. In format, here you can change the height of the background image. Here is also three options. One is small, medium and large. You can select any one of these. And you can also change the background and colors. And here you can also change the background design. Once you're done with this, you have to click on the done and save it. So yeah, this is how you can make images smaller in the Squarespace.